Okay, no.
What
Dude,
is your
you really thought you could kill me? That's the oldest trick in the book, Leo, bro. This is my
I'm gonna
second
go do it.
recording, by the
I'm gonna go
way.
make it myself. I'm just kidding. I don't wanna
This
die.
is my second recording because my recording cut out. Oh god.
It's him. He needs coffee. I'm taking the coffee.
No coffee for you, bud. There's no coffee.
I have coffee. There's no
Oh,
coffee and I need it.
take 2 sips. I've been watching recently a lot of animal hospital videos.
Yeah, and you
It,
seen those ones that where they like spray the fire extinguisher outside the room?
yeah, that looks. Yeah, you know, Newbie? He's also a content creator. He made a video like that too, but he was on the cameras in the room 5 area. Like, okay, so go to the go
You do
to
the
room
cameras and
4.
I'll go do this.
Go to room 5 and take the cam with you. What the hell? I meant room 4, but she made it obvious. I mean, Bro, you made it obvious. I meant to go to room 4. Barney be waiting 5 years for his coffee.
Okay, let's try it
Barney.
again. Let's try
Okay.
it again. What?
Okay. Too late.
Don't take this because this is at 6.
Yeah.
Let it charge.
I'm sorry, Barney. Barb.
Do you perhaps have the gun?
I do not have the gun. Over there
Well, you
it
can
is.
have so you can shoot this guy.
So I can't shoot this guy. We gotta check on
This
him
guy goes
if he's okay first. So. Yeah, he's alright. Yep, everything's fine. Oh, visitor. Hold up, I gotta tell JD. From accounting's here. Yo, dude, Ron from accounting's here. Yo, bro. You also a small content creator?
Yes. I mean,
I
my old account name. It's my old account name. It's Shawana. It's my old account name is Shawana McGreynolds, and it's new. And the new name of it is Joshua.A. Uppercase A.
okay, dude. We gotta check in.
Joshua.
We gotta check in Ron from accounting. Let me, bro.
Okay, I just did that.
Alright, but oh shit. Oh shit.
Come out.
Get that, you Oh.